The Back to the Future films were made around 30 years ago. It's based around an American teenager called Marty McFly, who accidentally travels through time in this car.
You've got to come back with me!
Marty and his friend Doc Brown decide to transport themselves into the future.
What happens to us in the future?
The chosen date? October 21st, 2015. That's today.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Well, there are some things in the film that we can see today, like this little 1950s diner that all the cool kids would hang out in. But there are other things that your mum and dad thought would be around in 2015, like a flying car, for example. So what do you guys think about that?
That is absolutely stupid.
Why is there a printer with pizza coming out? I don't know how you could get a small pizza to be a big pizza.
That hasn't happened yet.
It's quite cool though, because if you put like a chocolate bar in it, it could just turn massive.
Stop! Look!
You just chucked a girl off a scooter. And now it's turned into a hoverboard. Not sure how that works, but that's just crazy.
Stupid. It's not exactly believable.
A flying car.
And now he's on like a space highway. That's mad.
If it was to happen, it'd be ages. Because we have airplanes and stuff. We don't need flying cars, really.
Okay, they definitely got a few things wrong, but to be fair, they were pretty close with some things. Like the Google Glasses, for example, or Skype. I wonder when we'll actually get flying cars. Anyway, happy Back to the Future Day!